Here's a quick update on the sculptured belt buckle part 2. Now I was pretty pleased with myself for this way to mark off 1/4 inch from each side of the belt buckle blank. But there are very few ideas that cannot be improved upon. While I was editing the video, I got this idea. Now here are 2 bending or folding fixtures to measure off 1/4 inch. I used some lengths of 1/4 inch square steel and welded them onto this flat piece. You'll notice that the one on the right, the gap is just a bit bigger. Now this was a mistake, but what I learned from this is because of the gap, the bend or fold is a slightly more gentle curve. Place the fixture in the vise. And let me stop the video right here. This fixture cuts out 2 steps. Number 1, there is no need to scribe a line. And number 2, there is no need to align the steel blank to the vise jaws. For this video, I changed the position of the camcorder because it's easier for me to push rather than pull the metal. Pushing and using my thumbs gives me more control. Now, mistake number 2. I overcompensated here and got these 2 close together. But with a few hammer taps, I can get this piece so that it bottoms out in the fixture. Now, just in case you want to do something a little bit different, here's a 3/4 inch wide piece of 16 gauge steel. And here I'll make a 90-degree bend with the aid of some hammer taps. For a repetitive task that requires the same depth for a number of parts, this is a quick, simple solution.